If your fills feel random, stiff, and they're just not flowing, I've got 3 words for you. Right, left, kick. Now believe it or not, this fill was just right, left, kick. And once you understand how to use it, everything changes. So stick around, because once you get this system, you won't just learn one fill, you'll unlock endless ideas every time you sit behind the kit. So let me take you back real quick. I used to sit behind my kit hours at end, copying all these random fills and grooves that I found on the internet. But when I hit the stage and I was jamming with people, I froze. Nothing flowed, nothing felt really comfortable to play, and I ended up playing the same fills over and over. And I thought I needed more chops, more fills, and more vocabulary. But the truth is, I needed a better system, and so do you. So here it is, the 3 words that changed everything for me. Right, left, kick. But not just as a sticking, but as a framework, a system, a method. And it's how you can start to build endless fills. So it's not about learning 100 fills, it's about understanding how fills actually work. And that's what this concept will give you. So you might know this fill as a triplet. But we are going to play them in 16th notes, which sounds like this. And here's what we're not going to do. We're not going to copy exactly what I do, because I'm giving you a framework, a system. But we need tools for that. So to understand what's actually going on in 16th notes, you have to look at the 1-bar fill, which is 16 notes in total. We can play the group of 3 5 times and add 1 note, giving us 16 notes in total. Here's the example on only the snare as a 1-bar fill. But that's still kind of boring, isn't it? Therefore, we need some tools. And the tools that we're going to use are going to help us to create more interesting drum fills with the right-left kick framework. And the first tool being dynamics. We have 4 ways of playing this pattern. And the 4 different ways are no accents, a right-hand accent, a left-hand accent, and 2 accents. And then our next tool is orchestration, or where do I move my hands when I play this fill? And there's 2 ways to start with it, which is moving only your right hand and moving only your left hand. And while you're playing this, don't forget to play dynamic. Alright, so let's recap. This is not about just one lick, right-left kick. It's about the framework to use right-left kick. You don't need 1,000 fills, you just need some ways and some tools to apply them to the fills you already know. And if you want more tools like this, groupings, frameworks, real systems that unlock your creativity, check out the link in the description where you can find my ebook series. You can work on it yourself, or you can choose to join my community and study with me and thousands of other drummers around the world, getting the freedom they actually want behind a drum kit. See you in the next one.